It goes around the other way. All right. All right. All right, buddy. We're going to get her on you. Possibly. All right. Yeah. You want to check it out? There it is. This goes around you. Hang on. Get it on you. Goes around you. All right. All right. Get her on you. Come on. Hang on. I know. He's trying to bite his attention. All right, there you go. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right, buddy. We can take you out for a walk. All right? Hang on, buddy. All right, that's good. You want to go for a walk? All right, but I got this thing kind of backwards, but I'm hoping it'll work.
Good
You want to
job.
go outside?
Good job, Jay.
Thanks.
Hi, Cato. Hi, Jason.
Where's Shirley?
He went under the house.